In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features like wallet tracker, Twitter tracker. You can use the reward system, which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, you can set your own presets and your own fees, etc. Again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. So to actually buy Solana on Axiom, it's very easy. You want to go to deposit up top over here, this button. And here you want to switch to the buy option, which is the third one over here to the right. And then here you can buy this, and it is powered by MoonPay, as you can see. So here you first have to basically select how much you want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy 1 Solana, so you have to set the price in Solana over here. Let's say I want to just buy 1 Solana. The minimum is 20 USD, by the way, as it says over here. And you're going to be able to see an estimate in USD here as well. Now, once you're happy with that, you want to go ahead and click on buy. And whenever you click on buy, it's going to get basically, it's going to take you to the MoonPay website over here, where you'll be able to just confirm your purchase. So there we go. First, you'll have to just sign into MoonPay, or you can just sign in with Google or Apple ID if you want to as well, or you can use the email. And after you're done with that, you're going to have to put in some of your details, select the payment method, and just like that, you'll be able to buy Solana, and it will instantly top up on your account over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.